Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to manually set the date and time on an iPhone or any iOS device. I recently ran into an issue when I was setting up a new iPhone. One of the things that you need to do before giving back or selling your old phone is turning off Find My iPhone and then wiping it clean. Every time we were trying to turn off Find My though, we kept running into an error. After digging around for a while, we found that making sure and then changing your date and time to manual seemed to fix the issue. So, this is how you manually set this. First, open the Settings app, and then once inside, down a little bit, tap General. Near the middle of the screen, choose Date and Time. Yours will probably set like mine is here to automatic, and the time zone will be grayed out for right now. To manually change these settings, first, turn off automatic by tapping the slider on the right. Now we can change our time zone if we need to, and then under that, change the date and time. Start by tapping the date and making sure that that's correct. When you're finished, tap the time at the bottom and make sure that that is correct. When you're finished making your changes or just confirming that they were correct in the first place, you can head back out of this menu. Your date and time will then be manually set. Now if you found this video because you were looking on help turning off Find My iPhone, you can try rebooting your phone now and trying again. This might not fix it, but for a lot of people out there this did the trick. If you were just looking to manually set these options, then you're all set. And that's how you manually set the date and time on an iPhone or iOS device. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.